Hi, first grade friends. This week we are reviewing our consonant digraphs. Please write your name at the top of the paper. All right, my friends, we are working with CH that says ch, SH that says sh, TH that says th, and WH that says w. We are going to say each picture name. We're going to write the beginning digraph, and then when we are all done, you can go back and color the pictures if you would like. The first picture is a picture of a shell. Please write the beginning digraph that you hear in the word shell. Shell. The next picture is of a little girl, and she is thinking. Think. Please write the consonant digraph that you hear at the beginning of the word think. Way to go. The next picture is a picture of a bag of chips. Chip. Please write the consonant digraph that you hear at the beginning of the word chip. Ch. CH says ch. Our next picture is a picture of a whale. Whale. Please write the consonant digraph that you hear at the beginning of the word whale. Nicely done. You'll notice, boys and girls, we're not writing the entire word. We're only writing the consonant digraph. The next picture is a picture of cheese. Ch-ease. Cheese. If you wrote CH, way to go. Our next picture is a picture of a whisk. Whisk. Please write the consonant digraph that you hear at the beginning of the word whisk. Way to go if you wrote WH. WH says w. Our next picture is a picture of a chair. Air. Please write the beginning digraph. If you wrote CH, you are right. CH says ch. And the next picture is a picture of a thunderstorm. Thunder. Please write the beginning digraph that says Okay, my friends, for the rest of the video, I'm not going to be writing, but I will be saying what the picture is, but I want you to write the beginning digraph by yourself. Our next picture is a picture of a whistle. Whistle. Please write the consonant digraph that you hear at the beginning of whistle. Our next picture is a picture of a pair of shoes. Shoe. Please write the consonant digraph that says shh. The next picture is a picture of thread. Thread. please write the consonant digraph that says Our next picture is a picture of a sheep. Sheep. Write the consonant digraph that says shh. You're doing great. On the last line, we have a picture of a shark. Please write the consonant digraph that you hear at the beginning of shark. The next picture, the arrow is pointing to the thumb. Thumb. Please write the consonant digraph that you hear at the beginning of thumb. Oh, the next picture is a piece of chocolate. Chocolate. Please write the consonant digraph that you hear at the beginning of chocolate. And our last picture is a picture of a wheel. Wheel. Please write the consonant digraph that you hear at the beginning of wheel. Way to go, boys and girls. Go ahead and flip your paper over. All right, my friends, we've done quite a few worksheets just like this one. You'll notice that we have 2 crayons. At the top of our page, we have one crayon that is labeled CH for the ch digraph. And we have another crayon labeled SH for the digraph shh. So you will pick 2 colors and you will color the words on the word box below. If it has an SH digraph, you will color the word with the matching color of the crayon at the top. If it has a CH digraph, you'll want to match it with the color that you chose for your ch crayon at the top. And when you're done with that, you then will sort the words and write them in their proper boxes. You'll see that we have a CH category and we have an SH category. So you'll write all of those words in your best handwriting using a pencil. When you're done, please turn this into the top basket and move on to Lexia. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great today.